Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of our Onefinity Elite Foreman setup video. We're going to take you through the final installation steps, and then at the end, show you how to make a couple quick gifts for your friends and family. One of the big upgrades you get with the Elite series is the new anti-skip closed loop stepper motors. And what closed loop means is that they're always communicating with the Masso controller, making sure they're always in the right place. Install was a breeze on here. You just saw me removing the hardware that came with on each rail, and now I'm installing the clips into each motor and throwing it back on with the provided hardware. Like I said, install of each of these motors was a breeze. Another awesome upgrade of the Elite series is the infrared homing sensors with auto squaring. If you're familiar with the original Onefinity design, it was stall homing, where the homing was essentially resistance based. It would slam up against the homing points, and when it found that resistance, that's when it knew it was at zero. Versus this new infrared homing system, it's just more consistent and easier on the equipment. Obviously, the superstar of the new Elite series is the Masso controller, and here's us firing ours up for the first time, and also the most satisfying part of peeling off that new plastic. We filmed the second part of this setup right around the holidays, so here's us laying out using the double-sided blue tape method to set up an ornament that we're going to carve the Harvey logo into. This logo file and some others will be available under the Files section of the Onefinity Forum site very soon, along with the rest of the build files that we plan to have for Harvey jigs, accessories, etc. Thanks again so much for watching. We're really excited about this partnership with Onefinity, and be on the lookout for all those files soon.